We're here, guys. Samantha, we're coming to the Disney World.
Look!
Samantha, we're coming in.
Look! Look!
We're coming in. We're coming in. We're coming to the Disney World. Yay! Yay! All right. Woo, there it is. The happiest place on earth where dreams come true. We are
We made it!
here. Yay! Woo! Aren't you happy? To have good times. These kids today. Tell you what. I hope I'm around to see their kids when they do things for their kids and their reaction. That's where I went 2 days ago. Hollywood Studios, Star Tours is over there. It's a pretty good time.
Pretty good.
Today we're going to, where are we going today? Which kingdom?
Magic.
Which kingdom?
Where are we going?
Alright.
Where are we going?
You want to go to Disney World or you want to play with your device? Play with the device. Yeah, alright. Magic Kingdom, ungrateful kids. Chocolate. We did not.